everyone! In the Waffle Flower Sneak Peek Club Kit number 6, you have the Bokeh stencil for a background, the Multiple Presents Die-n-stencil for a focal point, and the Sub-Sentiment Gift die cut for the sentiments. Let's start with the Multiple Presents Die-n-stencil. This is the second installment of our multiple series that lets you create multiple images at once. What's special about this stencil is that you can stencil in multiple lines of gifts in one color, then simply move the stencil up and down to match the rest of the layers. This saves you a lot of time in cleaning your stencil in between colors. Some simple masking is all you need to blend in a full half-letter sheet of presents. You can trim the strips apart and use directly on a card, or cut them out with the matching die included to make your own arrangements. You can also use the stencil the way Galina shares here. Only blend in one line of presents at a time by moving the stencil up for each layer. Cut out the images. Draw some simple lines to help ground the presents for a mix and match look. We love how Galina used a white gel pen to add some highlights to her presents. And the card is finished with a sentiment strip from the Sub-Sentiments Gift die cut sheet included in this kit. The second idea is to cut the ink blended piece into a card panel and use it as a background. To help spice it up, add some splatters, or in this case, some faux splatters by a marker or even gems and sequins to add some organic fill to the pattern. Galina finished this card with 3 sentiment strips that coordinate. Another way to take your gift boxes to the next level is to use glitter paste instead of ink on one of the layers. Aren't these adorable? Galina chose to make a shaker card using 2 of the 4 presents and the other 2 on a card using a background made by the Bokeh stencil. Let's see how she did it. The answer is watercolor pencils over watercolor paper. Galina chose multiple colors of pencils and uses them to trace the circle on stencil 1 of the trio. Then used a wet brush to smooth out the pigment to create a magical bubble. The method is easy and we will leave you to enjoy her card making process in the rest of the video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon.